Hands on myself, but eat me some hot. Trying that new Megan Thee Stallion hearty sandwich with the hearty sauce, hearty sauce. And look at that thing, boy. Woo! Dripping with the hot sauce. That nice hot chicken breast. Only 2 pickles. I got a pickle for a nickel. Now let's try this thing and see how it tastes. Let's try it, see how it tastes. You know what? This ain't quite enough hot sauce. So I got me an extra sweet heat. Trying to see how sweet the heat is when I eat this. Drain it out. Drizzle. A little drizzle. Oh, you gotta get that. You gotta get that. You see all that? Sweet heat. Oh, I tell you. Let me tell you something. Next time you're outside by Popeyes, ask for that Megan Thee Stallion chicken sandwich with the sweet heat. It's not hot to where you can't stand eating it. Got a little spice to it. Got a little tang to it. But damn, that thing good. Until next time, I'ma holler at you. Peace.